Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'll be teaching you how to make money from this opportunity called Coresage. Okay, see the name here, Coresage. 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 Okay, Coresage is an autonomous smart contract deployed on the core blockchain. It implements a dual matrix system, X3 and X6, across 12 progressive levels, enforcing participation rules and reward distribution entirely through code. Okay, so when you scroll up again, you see entry activates level 1 in both X3 and X6 matrices. All activations are processed automatically on chain. No admin intervention or manual payouts. In this Coresage now, it's all about investment. It's all about mining core. Okay, it's all about mining core. So when you mine core, it's automatically sent to you in your wallet. You deposit money and you claim your core every blessed day. As you are claiming, is dropping in your wallet. Nobody is approving any transaction for you. You are not withdrawing manually. Once you claim or once you get any bonus, it will be sent to your wallet directly. Okay, go back to dashboard. Okay guys, so this video is going to be the part 1. Okay, I'm just here to tell you about the opportunity. Then in my next video I'm going to tell you how to start the business. Okay, how to invest, how to create your account. Okay, so in this Coresage now, like I said earlier, is all about investing in core. Investing in core. We all know what core means. All know that core is an altcoin that came out in 2022-2023, if I'm not mistaken. Some of us did the airdrop. We were given the core, we sold. Some didn't sell. Some even bought the core for bull. But where this business is enticing now is that core is at its lowest price. Okay, core is at its lowest price. Let's go to CoinGecko to check the price that core is now. Okay guys, so this is core. This is information about core. As you can see, it says trading at 0.03 and it is very cheap to buy now. Okay, before now in 2023, core was trading at 6.14 USDT. That is the all-time high, $6. And in April this year was core all-time low. It was trading at 0.02. So now it's trading at 0.03, which is still very okay to buy or to accumulate or to start mining through Coresage. Okay, so we all know in 2009 2010 when Bitcoin came out, people were mining Bitcoin, and when Bitcoin started trading, it started trading at 0.00 something. Okay, so I asked my AI now to know how much Bitcoin traded at in 2009 2010, and my AI told me that Bitcoin traded at 0.0007 in 2009, and in 2010 0.003 to 0.05 to 0.03. Okay, so in that 2010 now, had it been that they told you, okay, bring $1, you know how much $1 was in 2009 2010, right? Most of us had money then, but because we don't know about Bitcoin, we all said it was a scam project. In that 2009 2010, you can use $5 here to get 5,050 BTC. You can use $5 to get 5,000 50 pieces of BTC. Assuming that you use that $5 then, that was not up to 2,000 naira in our currency, to buy 5,050 BTC and leave that BTC till 2015. That is 5 years gap. Do you know that you will not be struggling today? Yes, you will not be struggling today had it been that you bought that BTC in 2009, 2010. Some people bought it, but they forgot their password. Some people bought it, but they threw their code wallet away, thinking that BTC was not going to be a good asset. So many of us missed that BTC in 2009, 2010. What of BNB? BNB came out in 2017. Binance was telling people, just register and download Binance app and you'll be given 2,000 pieces of BNB. Some people registered and some people didn't register, thinking that BNB was a scam project. In 2017, BNB was 0.039. That is the all-time low, 0.039. When they were giving out 2,000 BNB for free. And BNB all-time high in 2025 was 1,369. Have you seen how opportunities are passing us by? Opportunities have passed so many people by because of their mentality of every project is a scam. Assuming that you use $10, let me say $10 to buy this BNB in 2017, that is how many years today? Let me just say in the next 10 years, you leave that BNB for the next 10 years, or you leave the BNB till today, forget about the all-time high. Do you know that you'll be making $1.4 million? Even somebody that is working for government, if the person retire at 60 years, the person will not even retire with a car. The person will not retire with a valuable asset. The person will just retire with a peanut. They'll be giving you pension that cannot even feed you. That cannot even take care of your hospital bill. Had it been that person invested just small amount of money into a good altcoin, the person is going to retire with millions of dollars. Core is doing the same thing that BNB and BTC did years back. They are in their all-time low. This Coresage now is telling you to register with as minimum as $2. Then you start mining core every day. This Coresage might last for 3 years, 5 years, 7 years, even 10 years. Nobody can tell. So they are telling you now to register and start mining core and start claiming your core daily, no matter how small it is. Imagine now if you register in this Coresage and start claiming core now. The one that you are claiming might look small for you, but what of if core reach $10 per one? Do you know if you are claiming 10 core every day now that core doesn't have value, and core shoots to $10 or even above? If you are claiming 10 core every day, do you know that you'll be making $100 every day for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, 7 years, even 10 years? As long as Coresage project is there, you keep on claiming core. There is this coin that did all-time low in December 2025. This coin called Lab. As you all can see it here, Lab. As you can see it here, this coin did all-time low in 2025 December. That is seven months ago. I was watching it, though I traded it on futures trader. I've been trading it even up to yesterday. I've been trading it on futures and be making money. And today it did all-time high. it did all-time high, $20 per one. Coin that was at 0.07. Do you see how the coin shoots? As of yesterday, it was $13. When I traded it, I longed it. I made about $100 and something from it, from the futures that I traded yesterday. It was $13. And today, it did all-time high. As you can see, it's June 2nd. It did all-time high, $20.08. That's how coin makes people rich. Imagine when I saw it at $0.07 that I put in $5. Had it been I bought it in spot. Had it been I used $5 to $10 and bought it in spot. Do you know how much I'll be making now? With the all-time high, $20 per one coin. That is how crypto space works. And that is how people make money from coin. And that is how people miss opportunities from coin. That is how coin can skyrocket. And core is a very good coin. We all know. Probably core is going to do the same thing. If it is not now, it will be tomorrow. If it is not tomorrow, it will be months to come. Forget about making quick money. Most of you are losing opportunities because you are making quick money. You are always investing in Ponzi schemes. The one that will tell you to register with $10. Then your daily return on investment will be giving you 3.5% of your $10. You'll be cashing out. 15 days later, 30 days later, it will crash. Okay, guys, so what am I trying to explain? What I'm saying is that the opportunities that you missed in the previous years, the BNB, the Ethereum, the BTC, that you all missed a few years ago, that same opportunity is right in front of you. You can accumulate core as much as you want using this Coresage. Okay, if you come here, you see countdown. I'm going to claim my core in the next 2 minutes 40 seconds. So it's every day I'll come here and claim core. Every day I'll come here and claim core. The reason why I believe so much in this Coresage is because Coresage have done something like this, and it lasted for years. They used Ethereum when Ethereum was cheap. So as Ethereum traded above $300 per one, the Ethereum became expensive for them. So they now deployed into BNB. Okay, so they left Ethereum and deployed into BNB, and they lasted for years, even up to now. Just that it's expensive. So now that core is at its lowest price, they are doing the same thing here, and this one is going to last just like Coresage. Okay, though it's not a financial advice. So if you are interested in this Coresage, I'm going to drop my link below this video. Okay, in my next video, I'm going to tell you how to register, how it works, how to make your money, how to claim. Do you understand? So get ready. The minimum to start with is just $2 worth of core. That is about 62 core. At least it's affordable. I'm going to teach you how you are going to make more money using this Coresage, and I'm going to teach you step by step on how to create your account. If you're not in my WhatsApp group, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp group link below this video. You can join my WhatsApp group and chat me privately if you want. Okay, so if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now, and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay, see you in the next video. So the next video is going to be the part 2 of this video. Okay.